Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Windscribe on Chrome in 2026. If you want to browse more privately and secure your web traffic directly from Google Chrome, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open Google Chrome and visit the Chrome Web Store. Next, search for the official Windscribe extension and click Add to Chrome to install it. Now wait for the installation to finish, then click the Windscribe icon in the Chrome toolbar. Next, sign in using your Windscribe account username and password. Now allow any required permissions so the extension can work properly with your browser. Next, browse the list of available VPN server locations and choose the one you want to use. Now click the Connect button and wait a few moments until the extension shows that you're connected. Next, open a new website or refresh your current page to start browsing with the VPN enabled. Now explore the extension settings to customize features such as ad blocking, tracker blocking, cookie management, and connection preferences if they're available. Finally, when you're finished browsing, click the Disconnect button to end the VPN session and return to your normal internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Windscribe on Chrome. You can now browse the web with improved privacy, security, and convenience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.